Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the 2019 All America Selections winner, Firefly, bred by Seeds by Design. It's an absolutely beautiful cherry tomato plant. Tomatoes get to be about a ½ ounce, not quite an inch in diameter, smaller than your standard large cherry, bigger than the current type. I just want to show you on this side just how many clusters are. 1, 2, 3, the one we just saw, 4, coming over here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, really productive. 11, 12, 13, and that's just on this side. It's going to get about 6 feet tall, 3 feet wide, so you're going to need to stake it. I actually have it trellising through my fence with a couple of stakes in there, but it's an absolutely beautiful tomato plant. It's a really prolific tomato variety. You saw how much was on that side. Coming around here, you see more green clusters. This is bred by Seeds by Design, and it's a beautiful yellow cherry tomato. A nice pale yellow, pale white almost. As you go down a little bit further, you can see that they're even a little bit lighter in color. I've been harvesting tomatoes off of here for the last month. I actually got these in as my third wave of tomatoes. A great flavor, a nice mild acidic taste on the front end, followed by a sweetness, very juicy. I love this for salads because it explodes with flavor, and it's great for making dressings because of just the amount of liquid in there. It's a great tomato for your salads. Great disease resistance for a cherry tomato, especially the yellow type. These really resist cracking, so if that is a problem in your area, I highly recommend the Firefly. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. You're going to get a plant that grows in your garden and shows you why it won an award. I'm also growing these, as a quick tip, in a large container. The bottom is cut out so the root system does sink into the ground, but that's a great way to make a raised bed, really concentrate resources to the container, your fertilizer, your water. The 2019 AAS winner, Firefly. I highly recommend it for your garden. Please subscribe to our channel. We don't run any YouTube ads. We only provide great gardening videos. And just look how prolific this plant is. Clusters everywhere. Thanks for watching.